In this video, we are going to have a look at Ripple XRP. I'm going to show you some mind-blowing charts, and basically in this video, we are going to discuss what is a realistic outcome, what are the developments with Ripple, how high can Ripple basically go, guys, and we are going to go over many different charts, and I have a big warning for Ethereum holders too, but we are basically going to have a look at this chart, we're going to have a look at some, very interesting articles basically, which will give you a very good overview on what's happening with XRP. So this will be a video that will bring you up to date on everything that happened with XRP in terms of fundamentally, also in terms of the price action and price structure. Well, guys, it doesn't go unnoticed that XRP actually had a massive candle right here lately since it's known that Trump becomes the president. We're already seeing a lot of things boiling up in the crypto space, Bitcoin doing pretty well, but XRP is right now breaking a resistance that it has been creating since 2017. So that is a resistance that has been coming down for roughly 7 years. Can you imagine, guys, one of the biggest tokens back in the days? So for example, this is a snapshot of coin market cap back in 2015. Ripple was number 2 with a market cap of 400 million, going for a price of roughly 1 cent. Can you imagine how crazy that was back then? But that was a very long time ago, but it used to be the number second cryptocurrency token. And I have to say that, like, during the course of the years, XRP went to the background. And the reason of that, because most because of the reputation of Ripple. The reputation of Ripple is that it's kind of like a token that wants to be involved in regulatory frameworks. It wants to participate or cooperate with institutions and so on, while Bitcoin is actually a little bit the opposite, right? But the funny thing is that XRP, the one that wants to cooperate with institutions, actually got a lot of problems with Gary Gensler, a lot of lawsuits, and that's also what makes it really sad. The previous bull market, Ripple didn't exceed the previous all-time high, which it made in 2017, roughly $3.40. We didn't surpass that because we had a person in the SEC, the chairman, Gary Gensler. You probably know this guy. So guys, this person, Gary Gensler, actually is in the office since the 3rd of February 2021. Well, that is remarkably close to the top of XRP right here. So we had quite a steady growth the previous bull market, but eventually, and maybe this is just how markets work, eventually we just created this big triangle formation. But right now the whole situation changed, and I'm really amazed by how things can actually change, how quickly it actually can change, because right now the president's chasing, America's becoming a more pro-crypto country. XRP is located in the United States, and we are seeing a breakout of a triangle formation that has been creating or starting since like 7 years ago. So that is very significant. Only looking at this chart already tells me that there is a high probability we are going to the middle of this channel, which would be a $3.60 per Ripple token. But if we reach that later, it will already be at $4. But I actually believe, guys, that we can go to the resistance of this channel, this bull market, which would mean a Ripple price of $20 and higher. Yeah, I know it really sounds crazy, but I'm going to explain to you in today's video why that's possible and which other charts are basically strengthen that too. Before I'm going to show you the next charts, I quickly want to mention Will Alerts. Will Alerts is a private Telegram channel where we actually have been calling this Ripple pump early on, and we basically share a lot of information over there, chart setups and so on, and you can join for free by joining Bybit using the affiliate link down below in the description. Then let's go to this chart, guys. This chart is the XRP against Bitcoin, and this was one that catch my attention too, because if you have a look at XRP against Bitcoin, we have the resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. Right now we bumped at the support, but we are breaking out right here. While at the support, while really touching the support, we have nice bullish divergences, and that's also what I said. Previous time when we bounce off the support, we at least go to the middle of the channel. So that would be, and this is of course in the Bitcoin valuation, but I expect Bitcoin value to come up. So when this one comes to the half, to the middle of the channel, the price of Bitcoin will be higher than it is right now. So that means that XRP doesn't only grow with the growth of Bitcoin, but it outgrows Bitcoin even in its valuation. And I think the chance is actually pretty high. And these two charts already show me, okay, something special is going on with XRP, but that's not all, because when we then go to this chart, and this is XRP against Ethereum, we also see like a massive, we see like a massive breakout right here. It is actually kind of insane. We also have been in a downtrend since 2017 against Ethereum, and it looks like Ripple right now is breaking out, and normally this formation, which is a falling wedge formation, when we break it out, we reach the top of the wedge, which means that is the target of this formation, which would be from now, from the levels that we are right now, still an increase of 900%, not against US dollar valuation, but against Ethereum. So in my opinion, when you see this chart, it actually makes more sense to hold Ripple rather than Ethereum. Maybe of course we come down, we retest it, maybe we do, there will be a nice buying opportunity if you want to flip some Ethereum into Ripple. But generally speaking, guys, this is a bullish pattern, and I think this adds up to the fact that XRP is just looking like this cycle XRP is going to play a big role in the world, and I don't know how that is going to manifest. I just can see that if we look at the charts and we are seeing these types of breakouts, of course they don't have to last, and eventually we can be wrong and this can roll over. It's always a game of probabilities, but all these charts lining up very good with the narrative that Ripple even has also meeting, for example, with Trump. There's a lot of things going on in the background, right? I definitely think that Ripple, XRP, is going to have a big role in this coming bull market. And the charts are not lying about that. So when we have a look at the market cap of Ripple, we can see that the market cap of Bitcoin is 1.8 trillion. But if we look at the market cap of Ripple, it's 60 billion, right? The market cap of Ethereum is 370 billion. So looking at the XRP against Ethereum, I definitely think that we can overtake the market cap of Ethereum this cycle, which basically means a 5x from where we are right now, right? But if the Ethereum market cap will increase too, we need more than a 5x, and I definitely think like XRP easily can do this cycle a 10x, going to 600 billion. Maybe also when the market cap of Bitcoin will increase and more profits from Bitcoin will flow into altcoins, a lot of that profits potentially goes to XRP. Another thing that XRP is working with is they are making their own stablecoin, RLUSD, and definitely there will be a need of many stablecoins in the world. So yeah, US dollar Tether, for example, already experienced some problems in Europe. I guess they already they had to leave in Europe, their offices. So yeah, there's definitely a use case for stablecoins also in the in this bull market, because people want to, the wealth that they are making, they want to preserve their wealth. But just looking at the XRP chart, it looks like we have a good cycle ahead. And an increase right here till the resistance would be an increase of roughly 2200%. And we can see that Ripple did these things already in the past, right? So how can Ripple look right now in the short-term time frame? When we have a look at previous pumps, for example, right here, this is actually funny to see. So when we go to the daily time frame, we make it a little bit bigger. We go back to that period. We have, for example, a big pump in the price, a couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, where we just coming down, have a correction, and then we do something similar again. How did we do that in previous times? Like here you can also see pump, couple of days, correction, pump, but especially when we are breaking these unique, crazy resistance levels. So for example, we can maybe make a triangle formation right here as well. When we break the triangle formation, so this looks very similar like we are doing right now. We have like this U shape to the resistance, break out. Then we have a couple of days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of consolidation correction. And then on the 6th day, we already surpassed that high. So let's have a look how Ripple is looking right now. We also have a nice U shape to the resistance, nice push above the resistance. And how many days? We got 1, 2, 3 days right now moving sideways. In my opinion, guys, this is just something moving sideways to eventually continue this pump and continue to higher levels. And as you can see with the price action of Ripple, these things move very quickly. Guys, I'm very curious what you think about Ripple. Let me know in the comment section, guys. If you want to get more updates on different altcoins, make sure to join Will Alerts. There is an affiliate link down below in the description where you can come to this page. You can just join Bybit with the affiliate link down below. Sign up right here, or any other exchange that you actually prefer. But in my opinion, Bybit is the best exchange out there. But this is basically my opinion on Ripple, guys. I've been already making some videos in the past week about it, but definitely continue to do that, as I think Ripple will just have a big role in this bull market. I'm not really sure how, like I said, how this is going to manifest. They do have meetings, for example, with President Donald Trump. They do have a stable coin, and the person that is actually suing them is probably going to resign. The whole environment for Ripple is just going to change, I feel. A lot of things are going to happen, and I really think Ripple going to have a big role in this bull market of 2024-2025. Guys, if you like this content, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think about XRP Ripple, and I wish you all a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.